Alright, good morning. This is Jared with Around the Bend Pressure Washing. Doing work today in Tallahassee. This is actually a returning customer. Washed this house, I think last October-ish. My helper, this is actually his mom's house. So we're going to do a roof. So we'll start by getting everything blown off. Unfortunately, everything is wet, so that might take a little bit longer than what I would like, and we've got more rain coming, so gonna be a short intro video and then get to work right away. Then around on this back side, I've got the screened-in porch. Gonna do this floor for her as well. I'll just do a quick soft wash. I think that'll clean right up. That's what this roof looks like. So, got some debris, but that'll all blow down. Luckily this roof is pretty flat, so pretty easy to walk. So go ahead and get started, and we'll see how it turns out. Alright guys, so I got everything blown off. I should have took some video before. There's a lot of debris. Usual areas down in the valley, and then in and along the gutter guards. So got all that cleaned out. Otherwise everything else looks pretty good. This back section is where there's definitely some dark spots. There's some pretty good sized trees, so all that debris falls down. So got all that cleaned off, and now we'll go ahead and start a treatment. So we'll see how it turns out. Alright guys, so just a quick update. You can already start to see where those organics are dying off. I'm gonna go back up. I got a little bit up there that I'm gonna hit again underneath the cap, but coming along nicely. So we'll give it a good treatment, and we'll get out of here. All right guys, we'll see how it all turned out. Overall looks pretty good. Hopefully this rain holds off for another day. It's Florida though, so one thing you can't count on is the weather. Over on this side, and I also did inside this porch for her. Apparently the door's locked. I got all that cleaned up, so see if I can get up far enough to get a good picture. So I don't have any more jobs on the schedule, but I'm actually going to try to pull one up from tomorrow. I'll call the customer and see if she's willing to let me come today instead of tomorrow. So we'll see what she says, and I'll make a video of that, or I'll do it tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Alright guys, Job number 2, I had to stop and do a quote, but this one is in Panacea, so not far from the water, which means lots and lots of green. You can see down along the side. This one also has a lot of wasp nest and whatnot, so should clean up pretty easily, but yeah, this one definitely looks like it's been a bit. You can see quite a bit down along this back side. And over on this side as well. You know, she wants these railings all done. Down through here. We'll get those good and clean for her. As well as these railings here. Don't plan to do anything on the steps. They're in pretty rough shape anyway. And then up here on the porch as well. A lot of nests and mud daubers. A little bit of everything. So we'll get the water hooked up and get going. So far that rain has held off today, so looking forward to seeing how this one turns out. Alright guys, almost forgot to take the after video. Everything turned out good. Customer's happy. So you remember this was green down through here. Got that all cleaned up. All looks good. Up above. And then down along this backside, there's quite a bit of green back here. This all turned out really good. So she's happy. I'm happy. I'm a little hot, so I think it's time to hang it up for the day and off tomorrow. Gonna do some marketing. Otherwise, got a full day on Saturday, so we'll get rested up and get ready for the next one. Thanks for watching.